Hi folks, this is Christopher Gatelock, and I've made a short video to show my customers how to order one of my custom calendars. You'll begin on my home page at cgatelock.com. You want to click on calendars. Take you to the calendar page. Next you want to click on the calendar icon on that page. Then it'll bring you to the product page of my calendars. On the right side you'll see the select menu. The first choice you have is either a 18-month calendar or a 12-month calendar. Say you want a 12-month calendar. You want to click on that and you want to add that to your cart. The other choice you have is either a UK layout or a US layout. Say you want the US layout. Click that, add that to your cart. Now the next thing you want to do is pick out your artwork. 12-month calendar, you can choose 12 different pieces of art to go on that calendar. You want to go to My Art Galleries and say you're interested in Scotland. So you go to my Scotland gallery and say you like one of my fairy pools piece of art. Click on that and that will bring you to that product page. The drop-down menu on the right, you want to click that and go all the way to the bottom. It says add this art to my calendar. You want to click that, then add that to your cart. Then for your second piece of art, you want to go back to the galleries and say this time you want to look at my Tennessee landscape art. So we'll look at Surreal Forest, my best-selling, most popular piece. You come to that product page. Again, you go to the drop-down menu on the right, go all the way to the bottom, select Add this art to my calendar, then add it to the cart. To save time, let's say you've picked all 12 pieces. So you want to go to your cart, view the cart, and as you can see, you see where you ordered the calendar, the 12-month calendar, and you ordered the US layout, and then underneath that would be listed your 12 pieces of artwork. The last thing you want to do is go to where it says Add a Note on the left bottom. Here is where you want to tell me either or month and the year you want your calendar to begin. After that, you just check out and you're all finished. I hope this helps in placing an order on my calendars. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.